This is a circular polarizing filter, or a CPL. Why is it called a circular polarizing filter? Because it's round, unlike the square types. I'm kidding with you. I'm completely kidding with you. It's got nothing to do with its physical shape at all. It's actually because of how it transforms light waves passing through the two different elements that are in it. A light wave has a sinuous form as it moves from point A to point B. Looking at it head on, we can see that it's got an orientation. Most of the time, there are many waves and they're oscillating in lots of different orientations. Linear polarization means that only spokes in one orientation, the one parallel to the long side of this sheet, can pass through. The rest of the spokes get blocked. A linear polarizer on its own can cause problems for exposure metering and phase detect autofocus. Depending on the way that your camera works, the electronics or the internal optics might contain polarizing elements, and they won't play nicely when receiving linearly polarized light at the wrong angle. And that's where the circular polarizer comes in. This filter has two important parts. First, there's the rotating element on the front. That's the linear polarizer that we know and love. But it's also got a second fixed element at the back. This is a quarter wave plate. Don't panic. All it does is take filtered linearly polarized light and gives the resultant light waves a spin. That's the circular part. The wave plate slows light down in one orientation more than the other. The best visual I found was this video on a channel called Rough, and it starts by showing the resultant wave of light polarized in a linear polarizer. Then it shows the effect of the quarter wave plate, which offsets orthogonal waves by a quarter of the light's wavelength. The resultant wave, shown in green, in effect rotates in a circular pattern as it travels. I'll link the video below. It's well worth a watch. Light waves are converted from a linear to a spiraling circular polarization, so your camera's electronics can receive waves in many orientations and can deal with it better.